Hello guys, and welcome to yet another Toy Soldier unboxing. This is the German AfrikaKorps set from Italeri number 6076. Obviously it's 1/72 scale, and this focuses on those Germans in the African theatre of war during the Second World War. Now on the back you've got some suggested colours by the team Italeri. Obviously they're going to go over a certain paint range, so you just choose whatever paints you want, but it gives you a rough guide of what you should be using, which is a nice touch. Not a lot of companies do that these days. Now this is an old ESCI sprue that's been taken on by Italeri, so bear that in mind. This sprue I think was in the 1980s, so it's definitely getting on. But it's still another lovely set. Now I have butchered the sprue myself. I've cut it up into little bits and stuff because I was intending to paint the whole sprue, but in the end gave up and just thought I'd paint a sample model. And I'll leave a link to the painting tutorial at the end of the video, so wait until the end if you want to see how one of them painted comes out. But the figures themselves have come out really nice in terms of the molds. There's not a ton of flash considering their age. There is a few bits to clean up, but the plastic is relatively hard, so it's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to say it's the best, certainly not the best, but it's a lot easier than some other companies. Now I do like the fact that the equipment on the back of these soldiers is varied, or in terms of their position. They've all got the same sort of equipment. Now all of the this particular sprue is the same, so it's all those fighting poses with your generic sort of infantry. Then we move on to the one with the mortar, the flamethrower, the officer, or a couple of officers, and a guy with like a shovel and a mine. Now I'm not too keen on the mortar guy, which we'll see in just a moment. He's just holding the tube. There's no sort of stand holding it in place, so pretty much a wasted model. I personally think it would have been nice to see something else on there. Then we've got a guy with a machine gun. It looks like an MG34, and then we've got a few other guys in sort of action poses, officer poses, and fighting poses. I like the guy throwing the grenade as well. So yeah, really nice touch. I do like the fact that one of these guys doesn't have a gas mask canister as well, or a mess tin. So the equipment is changing slightly on these models, which is really, really nice to see. So another great set from Italeri, or ESCI I should say. Now, if you want to see how I painted one of these soldiers up, I have a video. It's pretty old now, actually. I will do a combination of the 8th Army, DAK, and perhaps Italian scheme when I get around to doing it. So we've got 3 videos in one. But for now, you'll be able to find it. The link is going to pop up on the screen now. It will also be on the end screen as well. So if you want to see how I paint these DAK infantry, do let me know. And if you've experienced the new DAK from Italeri, which I believe is their own sculpts, have not used ESCIs, I'd love to hear your feedback and if it's worth grabbing a set. Because if it is, I'll definitely grab one. But until then, I'm going to leave it here, and I'll catch you at the next one.